Hello guys, welcome to P-Train Productions, my automotive corner. And today I'm back with my 2005 Toyota MR2 Spyder. And today I'm going to be unboxing a roll bar or style bar from Cabrio Supply in the Netherlands. So I ordered this package last Monday and it took about a week for it to get here. And it came yesterday at the end of the day, so today I'm going to be unboxing it. So as you can see, this package comes with I think the top one would be the wind deflector, and the bottom box would be the style bar, two hoop style bars, actually two separate bars. So, okay, let's unboxing it now. So I'm gonna put the link in the description if anyone interested. This one is only available in Europe, the Netherlands. So it's kind of a bit expensive for shipping. It's got $150 US, like $200 Canadian. But well, that's the only place that is available, so you want it, you gotta pay for it. Okay. Oh, taped up again. So this is the top one. Leave it here for now. So here they are. So I ordered stainless steel. There's two options, stainless steel or black. So I got the stainless steel. Let's see, it's well packaged here. Taped up pretty good. One hoop. Let's see the inside. stainless steel finish. Stainless steel. Yep. That's hoop number 1. The other ones would be the same. Yeah, there's some brackets. Very well packaged. A lot of tape, but yes, to protect the part from damage, I believe. One. That's the second one. Two. Well, so this is the base. I believe this is the I'm not sure, left side, right side there, but I'll figure it out when I do the installation. And at the second base. Some more bracket over here. Alright, so these are the style bars. So no, 2 actually. So that would go in there. Just like that. Alright, let's open the wind deflector. I'm gonna put this one away. Oh, by the way, this does come with an instruction right here. Yes, yeah. So I got 2 hoops, style bars here, 2 bars or 2 hoops, and the wind deflector. And some instruction here. Yeah. Instruction. Well, this one doesn't come with these 2 together, so I have to put these 2 together. But I think all the instructions are over here. Alright, wind deflector. Again, this one also comes with an instruction right here. Maybe not. Just simple. So it's come with 2 washers and 2 quick bolt knob. Well, there we go. Just a simple kind of mesh screen. Yeah, so just a mesh screen, kind of fabric type, wind deflector. Really kind of black powder coated finish. And this would be just attaching to the star bar, just like this. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing. I'll be installing these on a weekend, so stay tuned. I'll post another video for the installation part. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. See you in the next video. So you can see my spoiler is finished. If you have watched my previous video, I just got the spoiler installed last on a weekend, and I got the insulator cover put back in. Got some new pins. All set.